9 eye-opening inaccuracies you probably believe about eating eggs. Whether you eat 4 a day or 4 a year, these truth bombs will likely leave you shell-shocked. Fun fact: the reason for packaging eggs by the dozen dates back to a special payment system that was in place in England in the 1st century. At the time, eggs were sold for a penny or 12 for a shilling, which was equal to 12 pennies. We've come a long way since then. We've had some bumps in the road, though. Remember a few years ago when we thought we were only allowed to eat egg whites? Let's agree to never go back there. Today, eggs are considered to be nutritional powerhouse. A single egg has 7 grams of high-quality protein, iron, vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids. They're also rich in disease-fighting nutrients like lutein and choline. But the best part about eggs is their outstanding versatility. You can prepare them hundreds of ways, and they're delicious when served in both sweet or savory dishes, plus they're easy to make and super affordable. We could rant about our egg adoration for ages, but instead we thought it would be better to right some wrongs first. Here are 9 flawed egg myths that may surprise you with a few fun facts following each. Brown eggs are more nutritious than white. Nope. Surprisingly enough, the color of an eggshell differs depending on what type of hen laid them. For example, white Leghorn chickens lay white eggs, while Plymouth Rocks and Rhode Island Reds lay brown eggs. Some chicken breeds, such as the Ameraucana and Lushi, even lay blue or green eggs. This is not an indication of how nutritious the egg is, it's simply genetics. There's no way to tell if eggs are old if you lost the carton. Believe it or not, you can test if an egg is old or expired by observing its buoyancy in water. Place an egg in water. If it sinks to the bottom, they're very fresh. If the egg floats, however, it's gone off. This happens because over time air passes through the eggshell into the egg. They're very porous. The shell is meaningless. Believe it or not, a shell's thickness is actually a good indicator of egg quality. The thicker the shell results from a hen's calcium-rich diet, which makes for a healthier hen, and therefore, a more nutritious egg. Another fun fact: shells of smaller eggs are thicker than the shells of larger eggs. This makes them easier to peel when they're hard-boiled. The built-in tray on your fridge door is the best place to store eggs. False. Egg cartons are specifically designed to prevent breaks and bumps, and they're the best tool for preventing odors from your fridge from getting into your precious eggs. The built-in tray on your fridge door, on the other hand, is not the place for keeping eggs fresh and tasty. The opening and closing of the door results in quick and frequent temperature shifts, which negatively impacts the egg freshness. Cage-free labels mean hens are happily roaming outdoors. Cage-free hens may still have been raised in confined living conditions without access to outdoor space. This actually can reduce the nutritional value of the egg as hens have a less varied diet. Look for organic, free-range eggs instead. Egg yolks are always the same color. Next time you crack one, pay attention to the color of your egg's yolk. A darker, richly golden yolk is one indicator that the egg came from a free-range hen and is subsequently more nutritious. Free-range hens have a more varied diet and typically lead healthier lives. You should always remove the yolk, because cholesterol. We're over this myth. The yolk contains valuable vitamins, minerals and omega-3s, so it simply shouldn't be overlooked. It's also low in saturated fat, offers protein, and thought it contains cholesterol. Recent research notes that cholesterol found in eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels as we previously thought. You should limit yourself to 3 eggs per week. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet is part of a healthy lifestyle, according to the American Heart Association. When eaten for breakfast, they help keep you full throughout the morning and offer lasting energy. Eggs aren't convenient. Boiling eggs at the beginning of the week for grab-and-go breakfasts and snacks simplifies the planning process. But better yet, you can purchase Pete & Jerry's hard-boiled eggs to keep at home or in the office. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.